Before becoming tableware, clay must be fired in a kiln. This 60-meter-long giant is a tunnel kiln. Workers are loading biscuits onto kiln cars. The tableware on the kiln car will move through the preheating, firing and cooling zones at about 1 car per hour. The maximum production capacity of 1 tunnel kilns reaches 10 million a year. This is cubic kiln. Workers are using iron rods to pull the cars into the kiln. At Hosen 2.8, the annual output of 4 cubic kilns reaches 14 million pieces. In the past, it took more than a dozen workers to make a piece of tableware. But now, everything is different. This is the forming line, where clay strips are cut, pressed into tableware, and trimmed automatically. High-pressure grouting is another forming method. Mud is high pressure, injected into molds and formed into tableware, then removed by robotic arms. After shaping, the biscuits will be edge trimmed on the automatic trimming line. Adsorbing, then trimming. Then, the trimmed biscuits will be coated with glaze on the automatic glazing line. If it's spray glazed, then this big machine comes in handy. Preheat, spray and bake. Extremely efficient. More production, but what about maintaining quality?
Even in large-scale production, we focus on every detail and ensure quality from defects to packaging, all to international standards.
The workers in this factory is over 300. Many are ceramic craftsmen with over 20 years of experience. Even though many processes can be replaced by machines, they still do not give up handmade production.
Our clients are mainly from Europe and the US, including numerous renowned retailers and brands. Our monthly shipment volume can reach 40 times 40 HQ containers.
Products that meet the requirements will be packaged here and sent to various places. The sturdy packaging boxes carrying these tableware from China are about to cross the oceans and record the joy on the dining tables of thousands of households in every corner of the world. The story of tableware is not over. It has just begun.